Applying for an American Express credit card in India follows these 4 key steps. Here's a more detailed look at what each step entails, keeping in mind the Indian context. Step 1. Review and choose a credit card. American Express offers a range of credit cards in India, each with unique benefits and features. It's crucial to select the one that best aligns with your financial needs and lifestyle. Explore the American Express India website. Visit the official American Express India website. They have a dedicated section for credit cards where you can browse the available options. Understand the benefits and rewards. Carefully examine the rewards programs, such as membership rewards points, travel benefits, cashback, introductory offers, and other perks associated with each card. Consider your spending habits. Do you travel frequently, dine out often, or prefer cashback? Choose a card that maximizes your rewards in those areas. Check the fees and charges. Be aware of annual fees. Some Amex cards have significant annual fees, interest rates, annual percentage rate or April, foreign transaction fees, if you plan to use the card internationally, and any other potential charges. Ensure you understand these costs before applying. Review eligibility criteria. American Express in India typically requires a good to excellent credit score and a stable income. Check the specific eligibility criteria mentioned for the card you are interested in. Compare different cards. Don't hesitate to compare multiple American Express cards and even consider how they stack up against other premium credit cards available in India. Step 2. Gather required information. Once you've chosen a card, collecting the necessary documents and information will make the application process smoother. You will generally need the following: personal details, full legal name, date of birth, current residential address and proof of address, e.g., Aadhaar card, voter ID, passport, utility bill, permanent address, if different, phone number, email address, financial information, PAN, permanent account number, card details, mandatory in India. Employment details, if employed, employer name, address, your designation. Source of income. Gross annual income and proof of income, e.g., salary slips for the last 2 to 3 months, bank statements for the last 3 to 6 months, income tax returns. Details of any other credit cards you may hold. Identification documents, for uploading or verification. Proof of identity, e.g., passport, voter ID, Aadhaar card, driving license. Proof of address can be the same as above or a separate utility bill, bank statement, etc. Step 3. Complete the application. American Express in India primarily offers online applications for their credit cards, which is usually the most efficient method. Visit the Amex India website. Navigate to the credit card section of the official American Express India website. Select your chosen card. Click on the specific credit card you wish to apply for. Click on Apply Now or a similar button. This will take you to the online application form. Fill in the online form. Carefully and accurately complete all the required fields with the information you gathered in Step 2. Upload documents. If prompted, the online application may require you to upload scanned copies or clear photographs of your identification, address proof, and income documents. Ensure these are legible and meet the specified format. While online application is the norm, in some cases, you might be able to inquire about a physical application form at an American Express branch if they have a physical presence in your city. However, online is generally preferred and faster. Step 4. Review and submit. Before you finalize and submit your application, take a moment to carefully review all the information you've provided. Accuracy. Double-check every detail you've entered to ensure there are no errors or typos. Incorrect information can lead to delays or rejection of your application. Completeness. Make sure you have filled in all the mandatory fields and uploaded all the required documents. Terms and conditions. Read through the terms and conditions associated with the credit card and the application process. Understand the interest rates, fees, and cardholder agreement. Submission. Once you are certain that all the information is accurate and complete, click the Submit button to send your application to American Express. After submitting your application, American Express will review it, which typically involves checking your credit history and verifying the information you provided. They will then communicate their decision to you, usually via email or postal mail. They may also contact you for further clarification or documentation if needed. Good luck with your American Express credit card application.